Hi guys, it's all three boys. Today we are going to be building the public garage, and we haven't built this before, so we're going to be building it with you and unboxing it. Oh. This is the first thing. You unbox that.
These are all the parts that we got.
And then you unbox this one.
And the helicopter. And the
The helicopter station.
I got the helicopter. This is the pad for it.
Whoa. So first this goes this. What's the box? Okay, I think you might need this. Okay, so just it's no manual. So it's biggest to smallest.
If I tilt this.
Come on, get that. Put it.
I didn't fit.
No, if it's not fit, that means that is not his size. It's a smaller bit.
A smaller bit.
There's no smaller bit.
Oh, do you just mean like this? Just like that? Oh, I got it. You put this inside, but you don't put this on top.
Wait, I know what to do. But where's this? What's screws? So it says like you take it out. Cause look, there's something there. This is the only screws. Was there another?
I didn't get it.
I don't know. Okay, guys. So there's some parts that you're gonna need an adult to help you with because there's lots of screwing in to do. This is what we've done so far, and these are the instructions. So the next part we are going to be putting this on top and adding stairs to it.
Can I do it?
No, because you can't do it because you need to screw it. Okay, then you need stairs. They give you like 2 stairs to put in. I'll just go and.
You need to screw that on.
Do you need to screw this in as well?
No. Before you put the stairs.
Yeah, how am I supposed to screw it in?
Yeah, you have to.
We're gonna use these 2 to screw into here. Yeah, do that one.
Give the third one to that one.
Okay. That will screw. Hey, what? There's also one here.
Yeah.
That will screw this in. Wait. Yeah, screw it. Twist it.
So we're going to do the next stage.
Oh, where's the manual? It's supposed to be this one.
How?
Because it says the short one is I and the long one is H. And in here, it says the short one is go down here. You don't see, I'm professional. Okay, that's pretty tight. Yeah.
So now we're going to need the next.
Okay, so now we need the next piece, and then these 2. We need the thing. Are those the right ones? Move. So they're both G2s, yes they are. What about?
Do you put a couple here?
Yeah, after you put the last bit.
This many
Come on.
piece. Good, now do we need
Last piece.
with the helicopter pad?
We need nothing to hold. There's nothing to hold this.
The screw.
It's just a screw.
Wait, no. Double puzzles.
You have to do
So you have to screw both of these things in to connect the final one onto it. Can you do it? Okay, so we've just finished screwing this in. And what I find cool, the helicopter sign is a H and the helicopter platform is a H, so they just like, oh. This goes underneath. How do I put this? How do they put this inside of here?
Look at it. Look at it.
Then this one. Do I have to screw the case? So I'm just screwing this in.
The one I'm putting it in, I'm gonna put the one.
Oh, it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Okay, so we finally finished this, and I think it looks pretty good.
Remember-
What do you guys think? That one, wait.
Time to go fly. Put that one to play with it
Look
now.
at the camera.
And put that one to play with it. And we're going to do a different production. A different one. A different toy.
When you speaking, even speaking.
Yeah, lift the car.
When that one do them.
And the guys went from here to there. He's like, we. But that was like this with the car. He was like this.
Is that
You was looking at
yeah,
English.
land the helicopter.
Do you speak English?
What about the car that?
We are Chinese people.
Drive the car on the
Just
car.
throw it away. We don't need it.
Drive the car. Go and make your car to have it. Go and put petrol in your car.
The car does not need. Okay, cars can fly. This is not a helicopter. It is a car.
Petrol, put the gas.
Put the gas in my
I'm
car.
going to do it. Petrol.
Petrol. No.
Thank you.
Time to wash your car.
Then the car go wash car wash. Then the car get a ticket. Go to.
The guy is going.
You got a ticket.
What's this? But why would you want to get a ticket though?
Yeah, because you pass through the toll. You pass through the toll gate. You have to get.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I get a ticket? Thank you.
No, you're too bad.
And you're just gonna go. It's weird. What do you got? Na. Ice on my wrist.
How did that even make you? That wanted me first.
Everybody go first.
Go to the one. Go through here. Come
You take your.
Go
Go down.
Then you go to the car wash. Then get your car wash. Backwards. Then we're done.
Everyone can see you. Everyone can see you. You're doing this. Show your bum.
Car wash, isn't it? Get your car wash. Yeah. The car is washed.
Power Rangers.
Yeah, good.
3, 2, 1.
Then you can go and buy fuel. Yeah, go to the
I have to
petrol
go and
station.
squander his money.
I'll go here. We go. Most of them had to talk.
Yes, yeah, that is good.
I like it.
Yeah, guys, yeah.
Well, guys, we're back and we finally finished this. We've added in all the cars, all the helicopters, and now that's what I was gonna say. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Also, hit the
Bye.
Hit the ring.
I'm very professional. Thank
What
you.
is that?
And hit the ring and smash it. Boy,
Oh, don't listen to them. What are they even saying?
hit the like button.
What do you want to break the light bulb? How can they like
Hit
it?
the ring.
How can they like if you break it? Just
Wait the
stop.
like button, everyone.
What? Yeah, just don't. Just
like button.
it's
Wait the like button, everyone. And have a good helicopter day. Get over out of here. Bye.
break the like button, guys. Why do you always have to jab at the end of everything? This is you. Think I'm so cool. Mr. Cool Boy.